What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Consider subscribing to my channel so you can get daily updates. So in today's video, I'm making another video on CryptoZoon, and CryptoZoon is a really great platform still in my opinion. And when I made the video, which was yesterday, so you can check that out, you can check that right now at the top right of the screen. You can see that it was down a bit and it was on $0.3183 per token, but now it has went 25, almost 26% up. Market cap has went from around 18 or 19 million to 23 million, and the volume is also 24 million, 38% up. So I still think that there's a really good chance here for this platform to get higher and higher in market cap and price and volume and all of this. So now that is cleared up, let's go into the platform. I want to make a video on how to play, or really how does the play to earn feature work, and how you can buy your own zones slash items. So here we go. So you normally click here on enter app, which is right here under buy zoo, and then you would be granted to the starter pack right here. And starter pack shows you 3 different items. There's a fusion stone, there's a Proteus stone, and then there's a random egg. Now the random egg gives you a random zone once it hatches, and it could be any type of egg, it could be any type of zone. The higher rarity of the zone, the better price, or it would be more pricey on the marketplace. So if I went on marketplace right now, you can see there's different types of rares. So you got just level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, and level 1s, like these guys, level 1. So here you can see that some of them are selling for a pretty high price, like this one right here. It's a rare 6, and you can have different type of rares, so rare 2, and it goes on and on. You can buy these guys with zone tokens only. So before you buy them, you'd have to click approve, and approve is just paying a small fee until you can buy it. It's some type of verification or something like that. Then you got your inventory, so you can check your zones slash stones. Stones are like for merging 2 zones into 1 zone, and etc. Then this is the merger, so you can choose your fusion stone, and then you could merge your zone. Then you've got fight monster. So fight monster, you would choose your zone, and here you would fight them with whatever zone you have, and you get EXP, which can level up your zone. And once you level up your zone, you can go to against Yaki bosses, and you choose 4 different zones in 4 different tribes. So there's different tribes for zones, which I'll explain later. Then you got the boss information. So if you were to be this boss or the other boss, you would actually get this reward of 45 BNB or 55 BNB, between whichever you want to use. So this is how you can get like really good amount of money slash BNB from play to earn method on this platform. And I'm guessing soon that they will update this rewards estimated, unless I don't have a zone that doesn't show. But if you have a zone, comment down below if it does show rewards estimated, has it's a different, or is it actually rewarding you with these normal little guys. But if you were to fight these guys more and more and more, you'd actually get more XP, and if you use that XP to your advantage, you could possibly actually get 55 BNB, 45 BNB, or etc. Then you click more, you can check leaderboard, you can buy zones, I mean, and you can check how to play. So I'll explain really quick how does how to play work. So normally you'd fight these monsters, and you choose the zones you want to use and the creature you want to battle with, and you would pay a small gas fee to combat with the chosen enemy. If you lost, you're only losing your gas fees, and you're not losing anything else. You're actually gaining your XP though, so you're still gaining XP. You're not losing anything except for a small gas fee, which is under 1 cent. And then you can see the stronger the enemy, the greater reward. And then however, players need to attend to the calculated win rate for Yaki monster. Yaki monsters are these Yaki bosses right here, and also just monsters. and then you can see the game roles, battle results, record them on the blockchain, and if you win, you get an amount of Zoon token. If you lose, you just lose your gas fee, and you still get some EXP/experience. Then you got farming here. Farming is just the zones will be farming to maintain food for a long struggle. Players can choose the creatures that are suitable for farming to get the best profit. And here you can see during farming, creatures will generate Zoon tokens. This is considered as main source of energy on CryptoZoon planet. Players can use Zoon to upgrade the quality of the squad and be ready to fight with the Yaki monsters. And then this is more of a pool, so this is a pool type of thing. Players need to stake their creatures in the correct farming pool corresponding to them. The total reward for farming is 150 million Zoon tokens. And then it goes on and on. You can breed and grow, you can train, you can merge, and etc. Now those are for different videos because this is more of how the play to earn aspect works. So I'm just focusing on like farming / staking or fighting because you are playing in fighting. And so that's how that works. I recommend you get a starter pack, but I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to start, I'd say get the starter pack, because if you went to the marketplace, you really can't buy anything here unless it's like some really low level rare. So you got these like high level ones, kind of high level ones, and then there's like 1,000 Zoon tokens higher than the starter pack. Now you can scroll through 183 pages, which I mean, I would just go to the starter pack, because if you got a rare one, you're basically not losing any money. This is like 1,500 lower to the Zoon tokens you're paying for the starter pack. And with the starter pack, you have a chance of actually getting a rare 3, 5, 4, 6, 2, really depends. So you can test that chance and see what you can get. And even if you didn't get like a rare 2 at least, then you still have that rare 1 which will participate in battling and still do something for you. Now if you were to get a rare 6 or something, you could sell them for an insane amount of price. Since this guy is selling 780,000 Zoon tokens for this guy, you can check on the calculator. Let's see how much that is right now. So if I pulled up the price of Zoon, 780,000 times 0.03844. So he's getting about $30,000 just from selling that zone. And if you want to see how much the price of a starter pack is, I think it's 12,500. 12,000. So it's just 12,000 straight right now. And then we do 12,000 times 0.03847, and that's about $461. So when I made the video, it was around 3.1. So we're gonna check how much that would be right now if it was 3.1 still. It's $372, and it was earlier, like a few days back, it was actually lower the price because I didn't make the video. Or I didn't think about making the video until around here in like August 15th to August 16th. And that's when it was actually starting to blow up and get like higher in the ranks and market cap. So that's how I noticed CryptoZoon, and you can do too. If you checked on Twitter, websites, you can actually find these play to earn games almost anywhere. So that'll be the end of the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. I'll see you guys later.